This space is where we enter and exit the building.
So this was the stairwell prior, and the experience of each healthcare worker coming in through this parking garage. It's cold, it's dreary, it's kind of a typical cinder block stairwell.
There have been times when it's been really tough to walk through those doors. Like it really wasn't something that you looked forward to walking through.
From the very beginning, from our hearts, we wanted to honor the healthcare workers and the individuals here who've worked so hard over this past year, keeping us safe and healthy during COVID.
So now you walk through those doors, you might be taking some deep breaths as you are about to walk into you don't know what, but you're surrounded by somewhat familiar faces.
Well, as an artist, I think we're trying to use our medium to make a difference to people's lives.
I love this mural because I love that all our associates are represented in some form or fashion, male, female, volunteers, dietitians, physicians, nurses. It's not just one type of associate.
For myself as an artist, I almost wanted to create this as a mirror to reflect their own goodness and the sort of feeling that comes from the bottom of their hearts in terms of why they're doing what they're doing. People are here to truly care and to spend their time uplifting others. And so what I wanted to do with the figures was actually reflect back to them the upliftment that they give to others here in the community.
My wife came up with the idea, with me being a painter and us knowing Carly, who's a muralist, and much more. What could we do to inspire and say thank you for all this hard work that so many different kinds of people that work at the hospital do.
I especially love this one at the top of the stairs here, like through adversity we rise.
Because it's a space that these doctors pass every single day and the medical staff, we thought that maybe just for a few seconds out of their day, it could brighten and uplift their experience in and out of Joe's.
People are trying to give back in a way that's different from just saying, here's some money and we're going to try and support you. But how can we make a difference in their lives? And that's how this mural came about.
We all really like the one that says that you can do hard things, because I think for all of us, we're challenged in our own ways every day. And it's just a little reminder that, yes, we can get through hard times and we can do hard things. It's just about putting one foot in front of the other with your heart and with authenticity and, your dedication. It says you're the one that counts, remember why you're here. Be kind, be brave, and be the good in the world. Throughout the time that we've been painting, we left paint markers here so that people could come and write messages. And I love this one that was in Arabic, which is gorgeous, that says, thanks for St. Joe's Heroes. I also really love that there's words in Spanish and other languages, like somos valientes, like we're courageous. And the messages here are contributed by the staff. And so I feel like with their input and with their contribution, they have a little more ownership in it and a little bit more feeling and heart that goes into the process.
I need to hear that from the people that I work with. Like, I love all the community support that we got and continue to get, but only the people who have worked in the hospital for the last year can really know what you're going through.
They're risking their lives, their families, and their well-being to keep the rest of us safe. And I don't know if personally I could offer them any better way to thank them other than what truly comes from my heart, which is the artwork.
This is going to outlive us. It's going to outlive this pandemic for sure, and it's going to be a permanent installation here for as long as this hospital's around.